How long does it take to boil potatoes?
Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will answer a question we often get asked. How long does it take to boil potatoes? The answer can vary depending on the type and size of the potatoes, but don't worry. We're here to break it down for you.
Why does size matter?
When it comes to boiling potatoes, size really does matter. That's because the heat from boiling water can only penetrate the potatoes so quickly. The larger the piece of potato, the longer it will take for the center to be cooked. Smaller potatoes or potato pieces will cook more quickly than larger ones.
What about different types of potatoes?
Indeed, the type of potato also plays a role. Waxy potatoes like Yukon Gold or red potatoes generally take less time to cook compared to starchy potatoes like russets. That's because they hold their shape better when cooked and tend not to absorb as much water.
The ideal cooking times.
So, how long should you boil your potatoes? Here's a basic guideline. For small potatoes, like new potatoes or fingerlings, it generally takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Medium-sized potatoes, cut into 1.5-inch pieces, usually take about 15 to 20 minutes. Large potatoes, such as those used for making baked potatoes, may need 20 to 25 minutes if they're cut up into large chunks. Please remember, these are estimates. You should always test your potatoes for doneness by piercing them with a fork. If it slides in easily, your potatoes are ready. And that's your answer to the question, how long does it take to boil potatoes? Remember, the type, size, and even the specific stove you're using can influence the exact cooking time. Always keep an eye on them and check for doneness using the fork test. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and here's to many more perfectly boiled potatoes in your future.